Hello guys, learn how to make your spaghetti at home like a pro using cabbage, carrot and some chicken breast. Hello guys, welcome back to Patience Cooking. If you are new here, please subscribe, click the notification so that each time I upload you'll be the first to be notified. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back. Today we are making a pasta recipe, guys. If you love pasta like I do, join me. Let's make this recipe. In a hot pan, I make sure the water was very hot before I put in the spaghetti. I didn't want to cut the spaghetti into 2 or 3, so I just let it cook like that. I added some salt for the taste and cover and let it boil. So this is me peeling my carrots. Remember, carrot is really healthy. If you have watched my previous video, you will see a lot of videos on carrot recipe that I try to explain the health benefits. So please make sure you have carrot in your meals. So I'm going to be using shredded carrot for this recipe. So I'm just done, and then I am also going to be using cabbage. Guys, I wanted the cabbage to be very small and tiny. That's why I'm using this knife for this recipe, and I also need some parsley for this recipe. So this is me chopping this parsley. Chop some onions and I try to separate them to make sure that I get the consistency. I will be slicing my chicken, so I decided to use 1 chicken breast for this recipe. So I just tried to separate it into 2 and then slice them very well. And I added black pepper, chili, a bit of salt, cornstarch. And then later on, I decided to add the sour sauce, and I also added a bit of honey sauce. And then I put a bit of oil, like 2 teaspoons. Then put some water and just to mix it and let it marinate. Now the spaghetti is ready, and I'm going to take this out and make sure I put it in cold water. So actually here we are going to be stir frying the onions first. So I put some oil in a hot pan and I stir fry the onions. It won't take so much time. It will be like maybe 1 to 2 minutes and it's ready. And then this is to avoid the raw taste of onions. So I put the oil again and decided to stir fry the chicken until it's well cooked. Look at how I'm trying to flip to make sure both sides are well cooked. And then later on I'll cover and let it cook for like 1 minute. I open, stir fry a little bit and then cover and let it cook again for like 1 minute, and I make sure that it's ready before I take it out. Yeah, the chicken is ready, and this is me taking it out. And then using the same pan, I add some oil and decided now it's time for us to use some garlic for the flavor, and then some parsley as well. After I put some shredded carrots, stir fry a little and add the cabbage. Guys, I'm just going to be stir frying this for a while. I will stir fry, make sure everything is mixed together. Then I'll cover and let it cook for like 1 minute 30 seconds. I'll open and stir fry again and let it cook for like 1 minute 30 seconds. I'll repeat this process like 3 times to make sure the carrots and the cabbage is cooked before I start adding other ingredients. So now it's well cooked, and this is me adding some salt, some black pepper, some chili, and then some sour sauce, and then I'm going to stir this for a while, then add the stir-fried onions and the stir-fried chicken as well, and then I'm just going to mix this together until it's well incorporated before I'll put the pasta that we already boiled. So I'll make sure I keep mixing this together until it's even. Now you can see that everything is well incorporated, and I decided to add some butter so that it's not too, the recipe is not very dry. So I added the butter, cover and let it cook for like 1 minute. Then I opened and just mixed everything together, and it was looking so delicious, guys. It was looking so super delicious. Let's serve these, guys. Oh my god, take a look. It looks super delicious, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please comment, share my videos. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Enjoy the recipe, and if you try this at home, let me know how it turned out. Bye.